What's up guys, it's me Jimmy again. This Sony A6400 is not a vlogging camera unless you buy a gimbal. You can buy a cheap gimbal like few tech, but the maximum payload is around 800-900 gram. With the kit length is like 400 gram, 100 gram for the kit length, 500 grams. So if you tech G6 Plus is amazing gimbal. Or if you like vlogging while your camera is on a tripod monopod, then also is good. But other than that, if you're looking for a vlogging camera, then I will say get the Osmo Pocket or something else, or get the Olympus EPL9, Olympus Pen EPL9. Because the good thing about this camera is that you have a flip out screen, you can easily see yourself. But the sad thing is that there's no IBIS. The built-in OIS in the kit lens, 16 to 50 millimeter, or get any lens you want. You can get the Zeiss 16 to 70 millimeter f4. Any lens you pick up, all of the OIS on the lens are bad. Do not get the Sony A6400 for vlogging. This is not a good vlogging camera. I just don't like it. I'm really very much disappointed with the Sony A6400. I'm really very much disappointed, to be honest, when it comes to vlogging as a vlogging camera. I don't know how can Sony even market it. By the way, I'm drinking first tea right now. Yeah, I was just feeling thirsty. Do not get this Sony A6400 for a vlogging. That's all I can say. Subscribe and bye.